Do you think UI UX is just about designing pretty buttons? Or if you know how to use Figma, you're a designer? Hold on, because today I'm busting the top 5 UI UX design myths that confuse every beginner. Let's start without any dribble. Drama. UI and UX are the same thing. This is the most common myth. People think UI and UX are the same. Reality, UI means user interface, what you see on the screen. UX is user experience, how it feels to use it. Example, how pretty an app's button is, that's UI. Whether the app works smoothly after pressing that button, that's UX. So, if you want to be a designer, you need to understand the difference. People think design means making things pretty. But hey, design equals problem solving. Whether it's Netflix or Zomato, their UI isn't amazing just because it looks good, but also because the user can use it without getting confused. So the real goal of design is easy plus effective experience. The best design is what the client likes. If the client says put a pink background, use Comic Sans, will we do it? No. Design decisions are based on user research, not just the client's personal preference. Your job is to explain to the client what the user expects. So design for users, not just clients. More animations equals good design. These days, people want to add micro animations to every screen, but this is also a trap. Yes, animations look cool, but if the user gets confused or the app slows down, the design has failed. Subtle animations with a purpose equals smart design. Knowing tools equals being a designer. Figma, Adobe XD, Sketch, these tools are important, but knowing how to use a tool is not a replacement for design thinking. Great design comes from understanding user needs, empathizing with them, testing ideas, and then repeating. The tool is just a brush, you are the real artist. So these were the top 5 UI UX design myths that confuse beginners. If you avoid these traps, consider yourself one step ahead. If you liked the video, like it, share it with your designer friends, and subscribe for more myth-busting content. And yes, tell me in the comments which myth you believed before.